Hi guys! Welcome back to the cooking class!
Today we're doing something super duper delicious. We will make
A creamy mango and avocado smoothie.
It's so easy and seriously healthy, I promise. Alright, let's check out our secret ingredients.
Frozen mango and avocado chunks. This is the star to make it thick and cold.
Next, condensed milk and make our smoothie drinkable.
Yogurt. This is the key to extra creaminess, feels like ice cream.
And last, sugar. Just a tiny bit if your mango isn't sweet enough.
Cool! Now we have our ingredients. Let's get messy!
Let's go! First, make sure the blender is good and ready.
Add 1 cup of frozen mango chunks into the blender. Using frozen mango is important because it makes the smoothie thick and soft.
Next, pour in the milk.
Then add the yogurt.
Now we add some small teaspoons of sugar.
Finally, put the lid on the blender tightly.
Blend all the ingredients until the mixture is completely smooth.
Carefully pour the smoothie into your glass.
Add cheese on the top. Put a small piece of mango on the top.
So, how was the taste, Abi?
It's good, it's sweet, it's absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10.
Oh my gosh, 10 out of 10. Sella, is it healthy?
Oh yes, miss. It's deliciously healthy.
Wow, it's deliciously healthy. Wow, good, everyone. So, guys, you have it. And then, the best part, guys, you can try this at your home with any fruit you like. Thanks for watching.